Today's scammers don't have to go dumpster diving to get your personal information, as they have found more sophisticated ways to lure unsuspecting victims. They go phishing. What is phishing? Phishing is an online fraud technique used by criminals to deceive you into disclosing personal information, including credit card numbers, bank account information, social security numbers, and passwords. Phishers use many different tactics to lure you, including email and websites that mimic well-known trusted brands. Identifying email fraud. There are ways you can tell if an email is fraudulent. These include requests for personal information. Be very suspicious of a message that asks for sensitive information, even if it might look legitimate. Urgent wording. Phishing emails almost always try to get you to respond to the message or to click links that are included. Fake links. Phishers create misleading links that are masked as real companies, but send you to a fake website. Attachments. Many phishing schemes ask you to open attachments, which can infect your computer with a virus or spyware. If spyware is installed on your computer, it can record keystrokes you use to log into your personal online accounts. Typos and poor grammar. Since many fraudulent emails are mass-produced, there is a good chance there are misspellings and poor grammar. For more information about phishing, visit our identity theft section at gpofcu.com.